Lesson 26. Time. Are you always in a rush, or do you take your time? Do you spend your time efficiently, or do you waste time and procrastinate important tasks, then stay up working until ungodly hours, very late at night or early in the morning? It has taken me ages, taken a very long time, but I've finally adopted some time management habits. Plan things well in advance and don't underestimate the amount of time things will take. Otherwise, you'll end up being a slave to your grueling schedule. Very intense schedule. Take care of time-consuming tasks, things that take a lot of time, on a day when you have no pressing commitments, urgent appointments, or things to do. Establish a timeline for major projects so that you don't leave things to the last minute and risk running out of time. Then stick to the schedule and try to get ahead if possible. There's nothing worse than falling behind on a project with a strict deadline, a definite date before which it needs to be finished. Leave home and work a little earlier than normal to avoid rush hour, the time when there is a lot of traffic because everyone is going to work or coming home from work. Sleep for 8 solid hours, 8 hours without interruption, every night. You'll wake up with more energy. If you're working from dawn till dusk, from the early morning to the late evening, and you have little or no spare time or free time, it could mean that you're overworked, and you should cut back on your hours, reduce your working hours, to free up some time, make more time available. Let's practice your pronunciation. Listen to and repeat the collocations from this lesson. In a rush. Take your time. Spend your time. Waste time. Ungodly hours. Taken me ages. Time management. Well in advance. Amount of time. Grueling schedule. Time-consuming tasks. Pressing commitments. Establish a timeline. Leave things to the last minute. Running out of time. Stick to the schedule. Get ahead. Falling behind. A strict deadline. Rush hour. 8 solid hours. From dawn till dusk. Spare time. Free time. Cut back on your hours. Free up some time. Now take the quiz and do the exercises to practice the collocations about time.